बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सबसे पहले तो मैं अपने मीडिया के तमाम दोस्तों का और भाइयों का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। और ये जो सिस्टर हैं वो आप सबको गुड मॉर्निंग कह रही हैं।
I came here to visit today to fix up this place, to reconstruct this place. Okay, for Mr. Chhipa.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
that's
sister.
all. Thank you. Have a good day.
Just have a seat, sister. Have a seat. Please, sit. Please, sister. Please.
Not embarrassed.
5 minutes. 5 minutes, please.
No.
हाँ।
I said what I had to say.
Your भैया बैठे, your next door, please.
नहीं, वो नहीं जाएंगी, वो जाएंगी ना। असल में शाजी इनका मामला थोड़ा सा जहनी का भी है कि जहनी तौर पर जो है ना जस्ट सिस्टर प्लीज 5 मिनट
No.
Please,
gotta
5.
go. I got things to do.
ओके जस्ट कम इनसाइड कम हाँ
If you know where Nidell Hamid is at, let me know, please. Thank you very much.
इनको मतलब है कि ये बार यहाँ पूछे
Where are you going right now?
I'm going to my husband.
Where is your husband? What's your plan now?
It's not.
कम हियर प्लीज कम हियर
Listen,
कम
Please,
Please,
sit down.
be
Please have a
quiet. I'm not sitting down.
seat. Okay, please have a seat.
My plan is to reconstruct this whole country, okay? I'm asking for 100K or more. I need 20K by this week, okay? In my pockets, in cash, okay? That's a demand to the government. The government is gonna fix up these buildings, fix up the streets, and clean up these streets. It's ridiculous out here. I do not like it, okay? I would love for you guys to please understand that Pakistan is in need of new buses, new cabs, new cars. Please listen to what I'm saying. My name is Oni Jake. Please understand. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
अच्छा बस अब मैं इस मौके पर ये कहना चाहूँगा कि सबसे पहले तो आप तमाम मीडिया का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि आप लोग जो है वो तशरीफ़ लाए। अब कल हुआ सिलसिला ये है कि कल रात में जो है वो कराची का जो टीपू सुल्तान थाना है उन्होंने रब्ता हुआ तो उन्होंने हमें जो है ये हमारी अमेरिकन सिस्टर जो है माय डियर अमेरिकन सिस्टर
I'm from Pakistan. Respect to the law, respect for the law, respect to Allah, and respect to God. Do you hear me?
तो ये मतलब कह रही है कि भाई मुझे आप पाकिस्तानी कहें। यस माय पाकिस्तानी सिस्टर। ओके सिस्टर, इट्स ना ओके। तो अब जब जो है वो टीपू सुल्तान थाने की मार्फत हमारे पास ये आई तो बात ये थी कि पिछले 2-3 दिन से आप तमाम मीडिया के दोस्त और आप तमाम मीडिया के भाई गवाह हैं कि ये बेचारी जो है वो कराची की सड़कों के ऊपर कभी पार्किंग में, कभी एक सड़क के ऊपर, कभी दूसरी सड़क के ऊपर जो है ये दर बदर मतलब है कि वो बेचारी घूम रही थी, परेशान थी। और इस परेशानी को जो है वो कम से कम मुझसे नहीं देखा गया। तो मैंने जो है वो जब मुझे पता चला कि ये कल शारा फैसल पे जो है वो के पास आ गई हैं और फिर उसके बाद जो है वो
Listen, I hope he's saying the right things, okay? Like I said, Pakistan needs to be reconstructed the right way. Do you hear me, guys? Make sure y'all get this on your camera. I'm married to Nidell Hamid. I'm Oni Jake. We are moving to Dubai very soon. We're going to have our baby in Dubai, okay? I have my son, Jeremiah Robinson, Sire Pitt. His father is William Pitt. Jeremiah's father is Lewis Thomas. They will be rich. The Irene family, Kiki, and Lika, the rest of my family also. Please understand, this city will be reconstructed. It will be fixed up right away. I'm asking the government for 100K in my pockets so I can do real estate. My husband will own it in Karachi. We will not live here, but we will get this job done right away. I'm asking for 20K right away in my pockets at the end of this week. That's all, folks, for today. That's it. He have nothing else to say. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Thank you.
But why are you demanding 1,000K to government in which context?
100K
100K.
for real estate. I'm putting it back into the city. It's not going in my pockets. I want 20K in my pockets for me.
So what is your next plan? Are you staying here or going back?
I'm taking my family from Arcade Gardens, 605-A. I'm taking them and I'm taking them to Dubai.
Where is your family now?
It's private. I'm Muslim, and it's against my religion to tell y'all my business. Have a nice day.
Last 3 months and
Excuse me. I just said it's against my religion to tell you my business, okay? I'm fine. Thank you.